We all know the struggle. Having earbuds jammed in your ear canal for hours is uncomfortable. Open-ear headphones solve this, but usually force a choice between terrible sound and a high price tag. SoundPEATS is trying to fix that with the Clip1. At around $55 in AliExpress, they promise premium features like LDAC support and a unique design. I've been testing them to see if they're a viable daily driver or just a gimmick. Let's get into it. First, let's talk about this design because it is the most obvious change from the norm. These are clip-on style earbuds. Instead of a hook that goes over the top of your ear or a tip that goes inside, these clip onto the outer edge of your ear, almost like an earring or a piece of jewelry. I have to admit, I was skeptical about comfort before I tried them, but SoundPEATS uses this Nflex arc structure made from a nickel titanium alloy. It's a memory wire, so it clamps on, but it's gentle. Each bud only weighs about 5 grams, and honestly, after 5 minutes, I completely forgot I was wearing them. Because they don't go in the ear, there's no pressure buildup, and because they don't hook over the ear, they are fantastic if you wear glasses. However, I do have some mixed feelings about the charging case. The earbuds look premium with this mix of matte and chrome accents, but the case feels a bit budget. It's got this glossy finish that is a total fingerprint magnet, and it can be a little slippery in the hand. It's rounded and pocketable enough, but the plastic feels a bit hollow. It's not a deal breaker at this price point, but you can tell the budget went into the buds, not the box. Now let's move on to the most important part, the sound quality. Open-ear headphones are notorious for having weak bass because there is no seal. SoundPEATS put a 12mm dual magnetic driver in here to try and compensate for that, and the result? It is actually surprisingly robust. The bass has a respectable punch to it. Is it going to rattle your skull like a pair of over-ear noise cancelers? No, but for an open design, the low end is present and fun. They use a dynamic EQ that helps keep the bass audible even at lower volumes, which is a nice touch. The vocals are really the star here. They sit right up front and are crystal clear, which makes these great for podcasts or acoustic music. The treble is bright without being sharp or sibilant, and because these support the LDAC codec, if you are on Android, you can get much higher bandwidth audio. When you switch LDAC on, everything tightens up. You get more texture and separation in the instruments, which is rare to find in a $55 open-ear product. One feature SoundPEATS is pushing hard is the Spatial audio or Dolby audio support. You can toggle this in the Peats Audio app. Essentially, it widens the soundstage to make it feel more immersive, like you're in a theater. I tested this with some movies and gaming, and it definitely adds a fun layer of immersion. However, for strictly listening to music, I found myself turning it off and sticking to the standard stereo tuning because it felt a bit more natural. But having the option is great. Speaking of the app, it's actually quite useful. You get an adaptive EQ that tests your hearing and tailors the sound to you, plus you can customize the controls and update the firmware. There are also some really clever smart features baked in here. My favorite has to be the automatic left and right detection. The buds are essentially identical in shape. It doesn't matter which one you grab from the case or which ear you put it on, the sensors detect the position and assign the correct stereo channel automatically. They also support Multipoint connection. This is a huge win for productivity. I had them connected to my laptop for editing and my phone for notifications at the same time, and they switched audio sources seamlessly. If you're a gamer, there's a dedicated game mode you can toggle to lower the latency. I played some PUBG Mobile with these, and the audio sync was tight enough that I didn't feel at a disadvantage. Let's talk about battery life. SoundPEATS claims 8 hours on the buds and up to 40 hours total with the case. In my testing, that holds up pretty well. I was getting through full work days without needing to put them back in the case. And if you do run out, they have fast charging. 10 minutes in the case gets you about 2 hours of playtime. Finally, the microphones. These use AI noise reduction for calls. In a quiet room, my voice came through clear and distinct. When I took them outside, they did a decent job of cutting out wind and traffic noise, but the processing does suppress my voice a little bit, making me sound slightly distant. It's perfectly fine for quick calls or Zoom meetings, but maybe not for recording a podcast. So what is the final verdict on the SoundPEATS Clip1? For $55, I think these are a steal if you're in the market for open-ear audio. They solve the biggest problems of the form factor, comfort, and bass response better than many competitors that cost twice as much. They're not perfect, the case feels cheap, and the app interface is a bit basic, but the utility you get here is incredible. You get situational awareness, all-day comfort that doesn't hurt your ears, and sound quality that is genuinely enjoyable. If you hate the feeling of silicone tips in your ears or you need something safe for outdoor workouts, these are an easy recommendation. That's it for this review. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.